Back inside the Big Dome. Muli po, magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. You're watching PBA Sunday here on ABC. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb, Dominic Uy, and Peaches Abirin, ang inyong Los Cuatros Fantasticos. For ABC Sports, and Cardona needs help. Nahanap si Alapag from the corner. So with over 9 minutes remaining in this ball game, at this juncture, Ginebra is in control. Here's Helterbrand on the move. Foul spotted by referee Thronji Aldaba. Second personal laban kay Alapag. That's the second team foul against Talking Text.
Can't draw it up any better than that. JJ Helterbrand at the post. Still has a matchup, an advantage out there at the post dahil sa liit ni Jimmy Alapag, and his shot is just falling through easily this day.
Well, I can say na kanina pa talaga nagtutulakan itong si Tubid at Cardona, but in reality, they've been going at it for quite a while. Wala pa nung kanilang UAAP days. Meantime, here's Leather, who's now back on the floor against Benk. Leather will try to maximize his stint on the court. He is playing on borrowed time with 5 personal fouls, and he has 19 points. Still a 10-point game. Tubid for 3. Rebound ako ni Ali Big. Jimmy Alapag looking at Leather. Here's Cardona to Terrence Leather, and he's all alone. Back-to-back baskets for Terrence Leather. He has 21.
Talking Text called that timeout to stop that run of Barangay Ginebra. Although Ginebra made that first basket courtesy of JJ Helterbrand, they have come up with a 4-0 run. At ngayon naman, Barangay Ginebra naman ang timeout just to make sure they can stop this run of Talking Text.
So timeout muna tayo with over 8 minutes to go. Lamang pa rin ang Ginebra, 84-76.